Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anu Abolade Debamod, and on this channel we do everything tutorial tips, things that you need to know to grow more and to become a good digital marketer, freelancer. So every tips necessary will be shared on this channel. So please, if this looks like something that you are really interested in, click on the subscribe button, right? Like my videos, share, follow me on all social media platforms, and do well to check the description box of all my YouTube videos. I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, so today, quickly, I don't know if I am the only one that falls in this category. My mailbox is full of mails that I am not interested in receiving. And that's because we keep logging into different browsers and they will ask you to make it mandatory that you log in. And from logging in, even though you don't know the importance of it, you shall log in and you'd you'd start receiving emails from them. And from some of them, it's not as easy as we think to unsubscribe from their newsletter mails, right? So today I'll be showing you how to get an email address. So maybe you enter a blog or a channel where you need to input your email address and you don't want to put your real email. You can come here and get an email to put there. It is the channel, the website is called Temp Mail. Temp Mail. I'll leave the link in the description box. Tempmail.org. That's the website. So, and for those that do a lot of online stuff, this thing that I'm giving you, this secret I'm leaking to you today, is really a bomb. Just go to your Chrome browser and type in Temp Mail. Temp Mail is actually the short form for temporary, right? So you can see here, you click on the first one, which says disposable email. Is a free email service that allows to receive emails at a temporary address. This website will verify if you are human or robot. So once you are done verifying that you are not a robot but human, it will redirect you to this website here. And on this website, you can see temporary email address. And one of the things I really love and enjoy so much about this temporary email is that if you use this email, you know, some of these platforms, when you paste the email and you register, you put any name you want to put and put the password, put this email, they would want to verify that that email address is actually correct, that it is actually your email address. So they will send you a mail and tell you to go to your mailbox to click on it and verify. When you scroll up like this, you'll see here it says inbox, right? So if I have a fresh email, let's say I've copied this email. This is where you copy it, of course. This is where you copy the email address, the email, right? This is the email address itself. So let's say I want to use this email. I have copied it and I've pasted it, and they want to verify if if that email address belongs to somebody, of course. The email will fall here. I would open the mail in here and click on it to verify. After verifying, I'll be able to access either the website or the app. So by this way, even if they want to be sending subscription every month message and all of that, I am not the one that will be receiving the email. It's actually the temp mail that will be receiving it. So this helps. It has helped me a lot and it's still helping me. I have used it a lot, only that I don't have a website in mind right now where I can use it for practical for you. However, give it a try. Have you ever used temp mail before? Let me know. If you used it, what have been your comments or addition or something you want us to know about it? Drop it in the comment section. And if you have not used it before, try to use it. What are the challenges you encountered? Let's also know in the comment section. That's not the only website that gives you opportunity to get disposable email. These other websites too, if you click on any of them, you'd be able to get disposable emails. However, this is the one I use, and that's why I showed you the one I use. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I really appreciate your love, your comments, your likes, and even subscriptions. Thank you so much. I'll do more of this. Please encourage me to do more by sharing to your people. And if you have not subscribed, what else are you waiting for? A lot of things are still coming up on these channels, and I'm sure you don't want to miss it. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful time and enjoy yourself.